So we're washing these two baddies over here, and then we're gonna take some nice photos, hopefully. Also, for whoever's wondering, today we're using the Sony a6400 with a Tamron 17 to 70 f2.8. Amazing lens, just got it. Today I'm gonna try it out with some car photography. Spongy.
Yeah, I think this is where we need to go. Every fucking time. I have to do it manually. Mine are on auto.
That's looking good. That's looking good.
Supposed to be half my rim.
The front that way, and then I'll say we can move up.
I need more rest of that space.
It is so you're chilling. Actually, no. Actually, you do backwards. We do like one like that, one like that. That would be sick, I think. Yeah, that can be nice. And then nice. Beep, 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 beep. Red car gang. Oh, cool. Oh, this is gonna be so nice. I can probably sit down. Hoppa! Ooh, yeah, through the go. Ooh! That is absolutely beautiful. That photo is beautiful, man. Actually, I like the hood open.
Of course the hood's open. It's a beautiful.
Of course, Daniel's in my shot.
Oh, sorry.
Of course it's open. It's a BMW. It needs fixing. Sorry, I didn't mean that. Sorry, BMW. You can still hire me. Alright, you pop the hood down. Absolutely beautiful. Am I? Yeah, I am recording. Okay. That would have been embarrassing. Actually, let's do like, yeah. Actually, too clean. Let's focus on the mark. Come on, let's get this quick. Come on, focus. All right. Oh, that's too clean. That's too clean. Oh, and it's broken. I have food on home.
Now it's there.
Ah.
I just needed to let it, but it's on the one side. Was I always looking at the wrong side? It was like in the middle.
Alright. Fist bump, that was a good one.
The BMW, you just need to be patient with the BMW.
My God. Adios. Bye bye.